Have you ever stayed quiet in English, even though your brain was full of ideas? You understood everything, but when it was your turn to speak, you froze. The words got stuck, your confidence vanished, and later you thought, why didn't I sound smarter? Why do others sound so confident while I sound weak? If that feels familiar, listen carefully, because this video will change the way you speak English forever. Today, I'm not speaking to you as a teacher, not as a coach, but as someone who understands the struggle. I know how it feels when your thoughts are sharp, but your English feels small. I know how it feels to regret every missed chance to sound queer and confident. That ends today. This lesson is not about adding grammar rules or memorizing long vocabulary lists. It's about something deeper, learning how to sound smart when you speak English. Not complicated, not fake, smart. And here's the truth. You don't need 10,000 words to sound intelligent. You don't need a perfect accent to sound confident. You don't need to impress anyone with textbook English. You just need the right mindset, the right strategies, and the right principles. In this video, I'll give you 8 powerful principles that will transform the way you speak English, whether you're a beginner, a student, or a professional. By the end, you will know how to express yourself with clarity, calmness, and confidence. So take a deep breath, forget your fear, let's begin the transformation.
Principle 1. Speak to express, not impress. Why do so many learners sound nervous or fake? Because they're trying too hard to impress. They use big words they don't fully understand and long sentences that sound unnatural. Smart speakers don't do that. Smart speakers focus on expressing, not impressing. Impress version. Considering the multitude of factors, I must articulate dissatisfaction with this particular decision. Smart version. I don't agree with the decision. Here's why. See the difference? One is decoration. The other is communication. Smart English is always about clarity, not complexity. Principle 2. Use short, clear sentences. Here's a big truth. The longer your sentence, the weaker your message. The shorter your sentence, the stronger your impact. Weak version. I was just kind of thinking that maybe, if it's okay, I could possibly join later today. Smart version. Can I join you later today? One short sentence is instant confidence. Smart people use short, strong sentences. Principle 3. Think before you speak. Silence is not your enemy. Silence is power. Nervous learners rush, fill space with and sound unsure. But smart speakers pause. They breathe. They think. Nervous version. I think maybe it was kind of okay, but... Smart version. The project went well overall. A few things need improvement. Let me explain. Same English level, completely different presence. Principle 4. Replace weak words with power phrases. Stop saying maybe, I think, I guess, kind of, probably. These weak words kill your confidence. Instead, use power phrases. Weak. I just wanted to say, power. Here's what I want to say. Weak. We might try, power. Let's try this. Simple switch, big difference.
Principle 5. Control your tone. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Many learners use rising tone, turning every statement into a question. I think this is a good idea? That sounds unsure. Smart speakers use falling tone. I think this is a good idea. Confidence is not in your vocabulary, it's in your voice. Principle 6. Start strong. The first sentence decides if people will listen to the second. Don't begin with, sorry, maybe this is wrong, but... Instead, use power openers. Here's how I see it. Let me share something quickly. There's something we need to look at. Start strong, people will follow. Principle 7. Use real examples.
explanations confuse, examples connect. Weak version, sometimes people are not direct and they act differently than they feel. Smart version, it's like when someone says, "I'm fine," but their face shows they're not. One example is worth more than 100 complicated words. Principle 8, end strong. Never let your sentence fade out. Weak endings kill your message. Yeah, so that's what I was kind of thinking, I guess. Strong endings build respect. That's my idea. Let's try this approach. Thank you. The end of your sentence is not a question mark. It's your crown. Wear it with confidence. So here's the truth. Smart English is not about big words. It's about clear thoughts, calm tone, and confident delivery. You don't need to speak more, you need to speak with more purpose. Remember, speak to express, not impress. Use short sentences. Pause. Replace weak words. Control your tone. Start strong. Show real examples. End strong. Master these 8 principles, and people won't just hear your English, they'll respect it. Take a breath, speak with presence, and let the world listen.